Some fan heaters claim to be cool air fans as well as heaters, but many have low airflow and velocity, so they're not effective. AM05 creates an annular jet, drawing in surrounding air and amplifying it for high-velocity airflow to cool you effectively. Many conventional fan heaters also fail to heat the room quickly because they use spinning blades powered by inefficient motors. The Dyson Hot and Cool fan heater uses air multiplier technology for long-range heat projection and fast, even room heating. AM05 is safe with no spinning blades or visible heating elements, and it cuts out automatically if tipped over. The temperature of the heating elements is maintained below dust burning point, so there's no worrying burning smell. It oscillates smoothly, pivots with easy touch tilt, allows temperature to be set to the degree, and can be operated from the remote control. AM05 saves energy, costing less to heat a whole room than other fan heaters.